Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. We are on episode 6 of all of my cards that I have been creating January and February. This one was created, again, I think we created 9 cards and plus a few. So this one was created using a pin. I will see if I can find the pin. There are some differences that I made. Hers had smooth paper. I went ahead and actually used an embossing folder and did some gilder's wax that I bought. I will put my gilder's wax up on my Amazon shop. I just really like it. It adds dimension. It works really well with embossing folders. I'm popping in as a voiceover since I had the paper wrong. This is Design a Daydream from the annual catalog, so it is valid through the end of April. And I really liked the different patterns, and why I picked it was for the bikes, the kites, and the birds. So I think that this is a good gender-neutral paper to use. I used birthday wishes because I had happy birthday. I arranged where my embossing was so that the happy birthday would appear at the top. Purposefully made sure it was really bright. This is silver. And then I did use some Hobby Lobby silver entwined baker's twine, of which I would love for Stampin' Up! To bring back baker's twine. I have put that in the sandbox to encourage them to bring it back. The brushed metallic dots that is in the current catalog. I used the diamond-shaped ones, and then I do have a mini stapler. I believe, I'm not sure who sells it anymore, and I'm not sure what brand I have. Stampin' Up! Did have one at some point, so I just did 3 little staples for added interest, and then made the wishes at a jaunty angle. Took 3 skinny strips and then tore them top and bottom. So it's all about the DSP on this one. And I am now a bike person, so it was very important to me to find a bike that showed this is Blackberry Bliss. I don't think it makes it an overly feminine card, though I bet if I asked my husband, he would say this is a feminine card now that I'm looking at it. We've not got any flowers. We have kites, seagulls, bikes, and leaves. So I think that I should be able to give this as a birthday card to, one of the male folks in my family, which are many. But I will have to run this card past Hub and see what he thinks. So the birthday is white heat embossed, and then I did run some of the silver gilder's wax. I put it on a paper towel and I just ran it around the edge. And this card is, another interesting thing. I took the So Saffron and I ran it along the edge. That was one of the techniques that was done on our sample pen that I will dig up. And I think that it works really well to use the white on white. And by adding the So Saffron directly from my spot, which is why it came across really dark. And I let it be messy. And I only had to run it on, the exposed side, so I didn't even have to put it on all 4 sides. And I think it worked out really well. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them here on this video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.